Welcome to Hello Device, where we make tech simple. Let's start by getting familiar with your phone or tablet. I'm sure you've been wondering what all these icons mean and what they do for your phone. Let's break them down one icon at a time. While this video shows icons on an iPhone, most of these symbols look exactly the same on Android too, so whether you're using Apple or Android, these tips still apply. Let's start by covering the icons at the top of your device, Apple or Android, phone or tablet. Your battery life can be found at the top right of every device, Android or Apple, phone or tablet. It indicates how much life your device has until you need to charge it. If it gets down to 15 or 20%, or you notice that the battery icon turned red, it's time to charge your device. You can set up battery percentage in your settings to see exactly how much battery life your device has, just like the 25% shows on the screen. The yellow battery shows your device is in low power mode, which can extend the life of your device before another charge is needed by a few hours. The arrow icon to the left of the battery shows that this device is tracking your current location. It is great for things like getting the weather on your weather app for where you currently are, or for using your GPS to get directions from your current location to your next destination. You do not have to have your location turned on 24/7, and you can allow only certain things on your device to track your location, so things like Google, Facebook, or TikTok, among other apps, do not know where your location is currently. The three icons to the left at the top of the screen show three different things. The signal bars at the very left show how strong your signal is to the tower your device is connected. Think more white bars equals better signal. Verizon just shows what carrier your device is in service with. AT&T, T-Mobile, Straight Talk, Cricket are other examples you might see. The fan icon to the right of that shows this device is connected to Wi-Fi at the moment. Wi-Fi is your at-home internet connection. When you're watching Netflix or Hulu on your TV at home, or browsing Amazon for the latest deals on your home computer, that is Wi-Fi. If you see 4G LTE or 5G in place of that fan icon, that means your device is using your carrier to provide internet. Need to shut off everything quickly? Use airplane mode. It shuts off all signal being sent or received from the phone. Wi-Fi, cellular data, that's the 4G LTE or 5G signal. Your phone also will not be able to call or text in this mode. This is good for situations like obviously being on an airplane, if you need to refresh your signal, or maybe if you are traveling internationally and do not want to connect to an international tower. This weird looking bee is your Bluetooth icon. Bluetooth is how you connect to your wireless headphones, wireless speaker, your car to make hands-free calls or listen to music, or maybe another phone or tablet. The bell with the slash through it shows that the device is currently in silent mode, so it will not make a noise if you get a text, call, or notification. If there's not a slash through it, it will make a noise for a text, call, or notification. Some devices may have a speaker icon instead of a bell. Do not disturb is the moon icon you see here. On some devices, it may be a bed icon instead. Do not disturb is used to silence all notifications, texts, and calls. The difference between do not disturb and silent mode is that in do not disturb, you will not get any indication you got a text, phone call, or notification. Any phone calls you receive will go directly to voicemail, you will not see any notifications show up on your lock screen, and your phone will not even vibrate. Understanding your devices starts here. In our next video, we will discuss more common icons you may see while browsing the web, using an app, downloading files or pics, and more. Want a full guide in your hands? Grab the Hello Device book, link in description below. Like the video and want to support the channel? Hit that thumbs up and subscribe button to see more videos just like this. That's it from Hello Device. See y'all next time.